What's up guys, this is Bart Bregman here from IQOptionWiki.com. Today with another video, very short video today, very easy. I want to talk about data overload. I see a lot of beginners making the same mistake to put like 45 indicators on one chart, and it gives you a data overload. If you look at the IQOption platform here, if you look at this, all the indicators say something, and they're probably, most of them will be in line with your strategy, but this gives a completely dead data overload. You cannot even see the candlesticks anymore, and I see over and over again that a lot of traders, they overcomplicate trading. Trading needs to be simplified, needs to be very easy. Even 3 indicators is maybe already too much for you. If we go to my other chart here, I see here I just have set up the RSI and the Bollinger Bands, and that should already be enough to trade. With these 2 indicators, they're pretty helpful. They have moving average in there as well. I like to trade with 2 or 3 indicators max, and then try to trade certain candlestick patterns, and but that you should have enough. And don't make the mistake what other people do. It's good to check indicators, to test indicators, but do one at a time, and do not over trade, because 3 or 4, I think 4 should be really the max of indicators on your chart, because you want to keep it easy, you want to keep it simple. Trading is already difficult enough, so if you have 4 indicators to check out, that's going to be very, very difficult for your brain to keep track of all those. So that's just a short video that I wanted to shoot here, that you not put too many indicators on your chart. This was Bart. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I will cover that for you as well. And like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.